Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Tcpdump by running the following command. Check the installed version with the next command. Add the current user to the Tcpdump group with the next command. Check available network interfaces with the following command. Now select the correct interface and start Tcpdump. Now it will start capturing network traffic on the selected interface. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.